Hi, my name is Nora, and today I'm going to show you how to make clear slime. You'll need spoon, measuring cup, a bowl, baking soda, clear glue, contact solution, and glitter. So first, you're going to take your bowl and pour 1 cup of clear glue into your bowl. And then you're gonna take your baking soda and put a pinch of it in there. Don't want too much or it's gonna grip. And then just add like 3 drops of contact solution at a time and then stir. And sometimes if this never comes together, you can put another little pinch of baking soda in there. If it doesn't work, which mine's coming together a little bit. And it's okay if it turns white because after a couple days, it will turn clear. And after it stops sticking to the side, you can put your hand, start mixing it in with your hands.
Dad, can I go to Lucas's house?
And even if the contact solution is expired, you can still use it. And when it's slime, this is optional, but you can put some sparkles in there, which I will do. And I like sparkles because it's kind of fun. And if you trying to get all the glue off the side of the bowl and it's still sticky, you can put some contact solution where it is, and then you can take it off. And if you want to, you can use food coloring. It'll make it kind of clear, colored clear slime. I did that once, and it doesn't last a long time if you if you use contact solution. It doesn't. Well, if you use too much contact solution, it doesn't last a long time. So at first you want it to be a little sticky so it doesn't get hard the next time you play with it. And then this is what it looks like. It looks pretty. And thanks for watching my video. Bye.